Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Metapixel to Lovable AI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This process lets you connect your Metapixel and integrate it directly into your project. First, open Lovable AI and go to All Projects. From there, locate and open the specific project where you want to add Metapixel. Once your project is open, type Add Metapixel in the prompt area and send it. After a moment, the system should ask for your Metapixel ID. Now open Metapixel in another tab and copy your pixel ID. Once you've copied it, return back to Lovable AI. When prompted, paste your Metapixel ID into the chat and send it. Lovable AI will then begin connecting your Metapixel to the selected project. Give it a moment to complete the setup process. It may take a little time, but once everything finishes, you should see a success message confirming that the integration has been completed. And that's it! So that's basically how you can add Metapixel to Lovable AI. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.